Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two Linux distro platforms, which is Nobara Linux and Garuda Linux. So I'm going to quickly dive into it. Help you decide which of these gaming Linux would be a better choice for you in 2025. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about Nobara Linux in 2025, Nobara Linux is a Fedora-based distro built with gamers in mind, preloaded with Protein, Wine, codec, and GPU drives for hassle-free setup. It's polished, stable, and maintained by a team focused on making Linux gaming just work. The trade-off is that it's more conservative than bleeding edge distros, so you may always get the newest kernel or drive first. So talking about Garuda Linux, on the other hand, is a hatch-based, all about performance and customization. With its Zen kernel, rolling releases, and the Flash KDE setup, it offers cutting-edge package and a minimum tweakability. The downside is that it requires more maintenance and can be less stable if you are not careful. So, in conclusion, Nobara is better for gamers who want stability and simplicity, while Garuda is for those who love performance, bleeding edge update, and customization. And that's it.